Hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I just gonna explain you how to mute call notifications in Instagram. So without wasting any more time, let's get start our video. So firstly, open your Instagram app, and now you just need to go to your messages and long press on the chat that you're gonna mute. Now just click on this mute call notifications. Then once you have enabled this, then the call notifications will be disabled. So this is how you can disable call notifications in Instagram. Thank you for watching.